Morning to one and all. Children, I hope you all are fine. In the previous class, we were doing the lesson Ranji's Wonderful Bed. So today, without wasting much time, let's continue from where we left out, page number 19. Mr. Kumar began examining a number of old cricket bats, and after a few minutes he said, and picked up one of the bats. He held it out to Ranji. This is it, he said. So there were lots of bats, and at the time Mr. Kumar, he began to examine the bat. And after a few minutes, he held one of the bat and he said, this is for you, Ranji. This is it, he said, and he gave it to Ranji. Turn to next page. This is the luckiest of all my old bats. This is the bat I made a century with. So he said that the bat which he gave it to Ranji, he said that this is the luckiest one of all my old bats. And this bat, with this bat, I made a century. And he gave it a thrill and started hitting an imaginary ball to all corners of the room. So what he did? He gave it thrill and he started hitting. Okay, before giving it to Ranji, he was giving a trial and he started to hit by imagining the ball to all corners of the room. Of course, it's an old bat, but I said, Mr. Kumar, pausing in the stroke making to recover his breath, he held it out to Ranji again. So I said, of course, though it is an old bat, he said, Mr. Kumar pausing in and in the stroke making here means here hitting the ball. By hitting the ball, he recovered his breath. He held it out to Ranji. Then he say, here, take it. I will lend it to you for the rest of the cricket season. You won't fail with it. So Mr. Kumar said, here is the bat and you can take it. And I am lending this bat. I am not giving you but lending you this bat, and so that you can play the rest of the cricket season match. Okay. So he said, and with this bat you won't fail. That means you are not going to fail but you are going to success with this bat. Ranji took the bat and gazed at it with awe and delight. Is it really the bat you made a century with? He asked. So what he did, Ranji took the bat and he gazed for a moment and he said with delight, he said, is it really? Is it with this bat you made a century? He asked to Mr. Kumar. Then what Mr. Kumar replied, he said, it is, said Mr. Kumar, and it may get you 100 runs too. Mr. Kumar said, yes, it is. It is the bat. And with this bat, I made a lot of run. So I hope so. With this bat, you are going to score more than 100, he said. Ranji spent a nervous week waiting for Saturday match. His school team would be playing a strong side from another town. So Ranji was waiting for the day. Ranji was waiting nervously for the day, for the week. He was waiting for Saturday match. And his school team, they were going to play a strong side from another town. There was a lot of class work that week. So Ranjit did not get much time to practice with the other boys. So Ranji was having a lot of class work. So for this, he didn't have time to make a practice with another boys. As he had no brother or sister, he asked Cookie, the girl next door, to bowl to him in the garden. So at home, he want to practice. While practicing, there is no one, as he is the alone son in the family. So he don't have brother, he don't even have sister. So what he did, he asked the neighbor girl Cookie to bowl. Cookie bowled quite well, but Ranji liked to hit the ball hard just to get used to the bat. So what here he did, Cookie, though she bowled quite well, but Ranji liked to hit the ball hard because he want to hit the ball with the bat. He want to experience from the bat. And she soon got tired of chasing the ball all over the garden. So here Cookie, what happens? She got tired, okay, by chasing the ball all over the garden. At last, Saturday arrived, bright and sunny and just right for cricket. So what happened? The day he was waiting for Ranji, he was waiting for the day, for the Saturday. So that Saturday arrived and the day was bright and sunny and just, it was right. The day was right for the cricketer to play cricket. So turn to next page, page number 21. Then have a look. Suraj won the toss for the school and decided to bat first. So before playing, what the players used to do, both the players, so the umpire will take the toss, yes or no? So they will ask the player. So here Suraj won the toss for the school and he decided to bat first. The opening batsman scored 30 runs without being separated. So the opening batsman scored 30 runs, okay. So the visiting first bowlers couldn't do much. So next, the visiting first bowler, he could not do much. The spin bowler came on and immediately there was a change in the game. So when the spin bowlers came, at the time immediately there was a change in the game. 2 wickets fell in 1 over and the score was 33 for 2. So in 1 over, 2 wickets fall. So the total run was 33 and 2 out. Suraj made a few quick runs. Then he too got out to one of the spinners. So Suraj also made a few quick runs. But unluckily he got out to one of the spinners bowler. Caught behind the wicket. Okay. The next batsman was clean ball, 46 for 4, and it was Ranji's turn to bat. So the next batsman was also out and the run rate was 46 out for 4. So now it was Ranji's turn to bat. He walked slowly to the wicket. The fielders crowded round him. He took guard and prepared for the first ball. So what he did, he walked slowly to the wicket. So the fielders, they were crowded, they were rounding around him. So what he did, he took guard and prepared for the first ball. The bowler took a short run and then the ball was trailing towards Ranji. So what did the bowler do? Took a short run and the ball was towards whom? Towards Ranji, trailing towards Ranji. Looking as though it would spin away from his bat as he leaned forward into his stroke. Into his stroke here means here to hit the ball. So Ranji, what he did, he leaned forward. Okay, so leaned forward into the stroke. And then a thrill run through Ranji's arm as he felt the ball met the springy willow of the bird. So here Ranji could feel the heat of the ball. Ranji could feel from his arm the heat of the ball because with the springy willow of the bird. Crack! The ball hit firmly with the middle of Ranji's bat. So the sound was crack. So the ball directly hit firmly in the middle of Ranji's bat. Streak past the helpless bowler and speed towards the boundary, 4 runs. Strike means here flew rapidly. So what happened? When he struck the ball, it fell past the helpless bowler, okay, and speed towards the boundary. Then 4 runs. How many runs? 4 runs. So I hope children you are clear up to here. Okay, today we will stop here. Please go through the lesson. If you have any doubt, you can get back to me to clear your doubt during clarification session, that is in the evening. So have a wonderful day. Bye.